Ever pondered over the countless myths surrounding the consumption of garlic? It's a question that has puzzled many, leading to a myriad of misconceptions. Garlic, a staple in numerous cuisines worldwide, has been the subject of various folklore tales and old wives' tales throughout the ages. One such myth is the belief that garlic possesses the supernatural ability to ward off vampires or evil spirits. This concept may have originated from ancient medicinal practices, where garlic was used for its antiviral properties. However, in our modern world, it's safe to say that garlic won't keep the vampires at bay. Another common misconception is the idea that consuming too much garlic leads to bad breath or body odor. While it's true that garlic can leave a lingering scent, it doesn't directly correlate to body odor. It's more about how your body metabolizes certain compounds in garlic. As amusing as these myths might sound, let's dive deep into the world of garlic and separate the facts from fiction. Garlic, a humble kitchen staple, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. This unassuming bulb, often relegated to the realm of seasoning, is actually a powerhouse of nutritional goodness. Let's delve into the myriad of benefits that come with consuming raw garlic. Firstly, garlic is a potent antioxidant. Now, what does that mean? Well, antioxidants are substances that help protect our cells against free radicals. These free radicals, if left unchecked, can cause oxidative stress, a factor linked to a number of health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By including raw garlic in your diet, you're equipping your body with a powerful tool to fight off these harmful radicals. Next, let's talk about immunity. In a world where we're constantly battling germs and viruses, having a strong immune system is crucial. Garlic, particularly in its raw form, contains a compound called allicin. This compound has been shown to boost the disease-fighting response of certain types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses, like the ones that cause the common cold or flu. So, a clove of raw garlic a day could potentially keep the doctor away. Garlic doesn't stop there though. It also plays a potential role in heart health. Numerous studies have suggested that consuming garlic regularly can help lower high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are significant risk factors for heart disease. Moreover, garlic's blood-thinning properties can help prevent blood clots, further protecting your heart. But wait, there's more. Garlic has also been linked to cancer prevention. While the research is still ongoing, several studies have indicated that the regular consumption of garlic could help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. This is, in part, due to garlic's rich array of sulfur-containing compounds, which are believed to have cancer-fighting properties. Finally, garlic may aid in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Some research suggests that garlic can help lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity, making it a handy addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. So it seems like garlic is a superhero in the realm of nutrition, right? But hold on, there is another side to this story. Just like a coin has two sides, so does the consumption of raw garlic. Now, we've spent some time marveling at the impressive health benefits that this pungent little bulb can offer. Nonetheless, it's essential to balance our enthusiasm with a healthy dose of reality. You see, while garlic is undeniably beneficial, it's not without its potential drawbacks, especially when consumed raw. Firstly, let's talk about the gastrointestinal tract, a complex system that doesn't always take kindly to raw garlic. Garlic contains fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can cause irritation in some people's digestive systems. This can lead to uncomfortable symptoms such as bloating, gas, stomach cramps, and even diarrhea. So if you have a sensitive stomach or if you suffer from a condition like irritable bowel syndrome, you might want to think twice before adding raw garlic to your diet. Now, let's move on to a more serious concern: bleeding. Yes, you heard that right. Garlic is known to thin the blood, which is generally a good thing, as it can help prevent clotting. However, this becomes a problem if you're already taking blood-thinning medications. In this case, consuming raw garlic could potentially increase your risk of bleeding. Therefore, if you're on such medications, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating raw garlic into your diet. Next on our list of drawbacks is allergic reactions. While they're relatively rare, some people can indeed be allergic to garlic. Symptoms of a garlic allergy can range from mild ones like skin rashes and a runny nose to more severe ones like difficulty breathing. And in extremely rare cases, it can even lead to anaphylaxis, a severe and potentially life-threatening allergic reaction. So it's always a good idea to be aware of any potential food allergies you may have. Last but not least, we can't talk about the drawbacks of consuming raw garlic without mentioning the infamous garlic breath. Garlic contains a compound called allin, which, when broken down in the body, leads to the production of another compound called allicin. This is what gives garlic its distinctive smell, and unfortunately, this smell can linger on your breath long after you've finished eating. While this might not be a health concern, it can certainly be a social one. So if you're planning a romantic dinner or an important business meeting, you might want to skip the raw garlic. While garlic has its downsides, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can indeed provide numerous health benefits. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential drawbacks and to consume it in moderation. After all, as with most things in life, too much of a good thing can quickly turn into a not-so-good thing. So enjoy your garlic, but do so wisely. So, how do we harness the benefits of garlic while keeping its drawbacks at bay? The answer lies in the way we prepare and consume it. Garlic, like any other food, can be a source of both benefit and harm, depending on how it's used. The key to unlocking its potential lies in the details of its preparation. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it triggers an enzymatic process that boosts its healthful compounds. One such compound is allicin, a sulfur-containing molecule that has been linked to a variety of health benefits. However, the catch is that allicin is relatively unstable and can be easily destroyed by heat. Therefore, to optimize the health benefits of garlic, it's recommended to crush or chop it and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before cooking or consuming. This waiting period allows for the complete formation of allicin and thus maximizes the health benefits. But here's the thing. While garlic is renowned for its health benefits, it's not something to be consumed in large amounts. Too much of anything is not good, and garlic is no exception. Consuming excessive amounts of garlic can lead to digestive issues, bad breath, and even some potential health risks. The key is moderation. A clove or two a day is generally considered safe for most people. If you're new to consuming garlic, start with a small amount and gradually increase it as your body gets accustomed. Also, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on any medications. So there you have it. The right way to consume garlic is to crush or chop it. Let it sit for a while to allow the formation of allicin, and then consume it in moderation. It's a simple yet effective strategy that can help you harness the maximum health benefits of this potent herb. Remember, when it comes to garlic, a little goes a long way. Now that we've peeled back the layers on garlic, let's recap. Garlic, this humble, pungent bulb, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. Consuming it raw, particularly on an empty stomach, can do wonders for your body. It's a natural antibiotic, antifungal, and antiviral agent, packed with antioxidants that boost your immune system. It helps in lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Not to mention, it's a fantastic detoxifier and aids in digestion. But, like all good things, moderation is key. Overdoing it with raw garlic can lead to a host of issues, from heartburn and gas to nausea and diarrhea. It can also interfere with certain medications and isn't recommended for people with bleeding disorders. Remember, it's potent stuff, so treat it with respect. How does one navigate these benefits and drawbacks? The answer lies in consuming garlic the right way. Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for about 15 minutes before consuming can help to release allicin, its beneficial compound. Combining it with healthy fats like olive oil can aid in its absorption in the body. And, of course, moderation is the watchword. 1 to 2 cloves a day is plenty. Garlic has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It's been used to ward off everything from the common cold to vampires. And while it might not be much help with the supernatural, the health benefits of garlic are well documented and scientifically backed. So, the next time you reach for that clove of garlic, remember, it's not just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a story of health and wellness, wrapped up in a small, pungent package. It's the story of garlic, a simple ingredient with a complex array of benefits. Embrace it, enjoy it, but most importantly, respect it. Because as we've learned, it's not just about adding a kick to your pasta sauce, it's about adding a boost to your health. We've come to the end of our garlic journey. It's been quite an adventure, hasn't it? From debunking common misconceptions to appreciating the benefits and understanding the drawbacks, we've covered it all. We hope this knowledge will guide you as you incorporate this potent herb into your meals. Remember, garlic is indeed a powerhouse of health benefits. It can boost your immune system, improve heart health, and even give your meals that extra kick. However, like all good things, it's essential to consume it responsibly and in moderation. Too much of anything, even something as beneficial as garlic, can have its downsides. So as you reach for that clove of garlic, remember to do so wisely. We trust you've enjoyed our time together as much as we have. Your curiosity and thirst for knowledge make these explorations worth it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting health insights. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.